I choose every morning. I will say, I'm going to love him again. I'm not going, I will be angry at some moments, but I will still love him. I think they expect things to be too perfect. Nothing is perfect in life, and so your relationship is not perfect either, but that's what makes it interesting.
How long have you been married?
For 21 years.
46
years?
something like that. I
46
can't remember.
33 years.
33, good answer. Coming up on 34.
57.
Do you still remember your first date, or you no longer remember?
I surely remember it, yes.
Yeah, what was it like?
I invited him for supper,
Okay.
and he never left.
He never left, he stayed with you. That's so romantic.
We were in college. She was dating my roommate.
All right.
So it wasn't really a date. She was a willing partner, mind you. I didn't take her from anybody.
Yes, he was about to move overseas, and so, well, I was dating somebody. He was about to move overseas. And
Our
so,
first date was a conversation on the grass lawn outside the dorm, I think.
I think it was. And you were dating someone else.
Oh yeah, it was complicated.
And it was complicated for both of us, and then kind of just
How many years ago? When was that? How many years was that? 40.
It was very nice because we went together and we wanted to open the door. And I took her on my back. And then later on, I opened the door, went in, forgot that the door came back, and it smashed her head.
So basically, he said, I suffered brain damage, and that's why we're still together.
So what do you do to keep your marriage for so long, considering that you know these days people, they divorce so quickly?
By living on a boat, we have no choice. We have to stay together.
Yeah, what do you mean you have no choice? What does that mean exactly?
Well, in order to have the life that we have, we can only do that together,
Okay.
which means we spend half the year in Canada on a boat and half
on
the
a
year
boat.
in Europe on a boat.
What do you do on a boat?
We travel around the canals of Europe on a boat.
Okay.
Simple. Separate bathrooms. Same bedroom. I'm stealing that from Dave Berry, the humorist who wrote That's the Secret to a Long Night.
the real secret is he is so funny. He makes me laugh every day.
Okay, she listens to my jokes and doesn't kick me out.
Yeah, that's true. I think the secret is that we always spend some time together and make a nice time together. And also go away together and do nice things. I think that's the...
That's one of the things, but my tip is it's my conscious choice every morning to love this man. I choose every morning. I will say, I'm going to love him again. I'm not going, I will be angry at some moments, but I will still love him. I think they expect things to be too perfect. Nothing is perfect in life, and so your relationship is not perfect either, but that's what makes it interesting and perfect as well, is because it has ups and downs, and when you go through the downs, then you have much better ups.